Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome to another video by School of RPA. And today I'll be talking about the School of RPA's RPA Business Analyst course. Now in this video, we'll cover the following topics. Introduction to what is RPA, scope of RPA in India, RPA Business Analyst salary in India, RPA Business Analyst job profile, RPA Business Analyst course contents, duration and fee structure, and how to enroll. The robotic process automation is basically a software in which robot is involved and used to perform human activities. These robots are used to carry out organizational tasks and they are organized in such a way that they can manage any data or action for the current applications which are used to carry out several business processes. The robots which are involved in RPA has to be trained, and once they are trained, they can be automatically used to carry out preferred functions. Operations which are automated involves a wide range of manipulation of data, activating responses, and improving communications within several systems. The main objective of RPA is to decrease the need for extra workforce to carry out the large volume of IT jobs which are related to support remote infrastructure, workflow, and other back office processes related to financial field, accounting, human resources, customer service, and supply chain management. With RPA, it is possible to perform work seamlessly as it saves a lot of time and also helps to reduce the chances of human errors. The RPA software utilizes multi-level features for data collection, configuration, configuring digital data, and connecting it to server or a website. The scope of RPA is infinite and huge. In fact, it is anticipated that RPA will be the future of IT automation. If someone wants to build his or her career in RPA, this particular field will automatically grow their career. The field of RPA is one of the prospects, and it would include innovative level of decision making and job applications. Most of RPA tools such as Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere are already being used in the businesses. The candidate who wants to build their career in the field of RPA can learn any of these tools to implement RPA in the future. Coming to RPA business analyst salary in India. The RPA business analyst and consultant is a high paying job, provided that you have pursued your diploma or certificate from a reputed training provider. The average salary of RPA business consultant is rupees 14 lakh per annum. Now, guys, please pay attention that this average salary is for somebody with 7 years of RPA business analyst experience, at least 5 to 7 years of RPA business analyst experience. Highly experienced professionals are paid close to rupees 40 lakh per year, and these are for like very senior guys. As an RPA business analyst or RPA consultant, you will be responsible for analyzing processes, identify automation opportunities, define RPA value proposition, re-engineer processes to improve automation potential, and recommend RPA strategy. Develop RPA client architecture and solution proposal focusing on scalability and extensibility. RPA Business Analytics is a professional course that has abundant scope for growth in the future. Working professionals who opt to pursue RPA Business Analyst course from School of RPA often manage to get offered six-figure salaries by companies like Capgemini, Accenture, or Hexagon. Let's look at what RPA Business Analysts actually do. As an RPA Business Analyst or a consultant, you will be responsible for analyzing business processes, that is to figure out which business processes are suitable for automation, identify automation opportunities, building RPA process pipeline, defining RPA value proposition, re-engineering processes to improve automation potential, recommending RPA approach strategy, developing RPA client architecture and solution, managing RPA project, and RPA testing. This course is meant for existing business analysts, people who already have some experience in business analysis. So in this course, we cover introduction to automation and digital transformation, RPA in business, what RPA can automate, which is basically what are the capabilities of RPA, the RPA journey, defining processes from RPA perspective, RPA tools in the market, roles in RPA team, selecting the right processes for automation, that's the opportunity assessment, and RPA project lifecycle, PDD creation, SCD creation, designing and building your RPA solution, testing your RPA solution, and setting up RPA COE, that is Center of Excellence. So all these topics are are covered in our RPA course. This course basically teaches you the basic and advanced concepts of RPA project management. And this course teaches you how you can run and manage RPA project from the scratch. Now, this course is aimed at existing business analysts, project managers, testing professionals who wish to make their career in the field of RPA. This course is designed in such a way that after completion of course, you will be able to get a job in RPA field as an RPA business analyst or RPA implementation manager with a minimum salary package of 9 lakh per annum. Coming to duration and fee structure. This is a 12 hours in-depth course that teaches you everything you need to know about running an RPA project. It's a practical course which can be completed within 1 month, and this includes resume and interview preparation. The fee for this course is 12,000 rupees for Indian students or $180 for international students. Do you want to enroll in courses? We have online instructor-led training, placement assistance, and flexible timings. So if you are a working professional and you also sometimes also on it as a Saturday, then also you can set your own hours at which you want to learn this course. Learning 1 hour per day is more than enough. If you don't have 1 hour every day, we can still complete the course by doing 1 to 2 hours every weekend. Now to enroll in this course, call us on 900-480-9189 or write to us at info@theschoolofrpa.co.in. We also have courses on, and these are RP developer courses on Blue Prism, UiPath, Win Automation, and WorkFusion. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video and Happy New Year.